So today we're gonna make pepper steak, and my mom here, Lucy, is going to be the master chef, and we're starting. And the first ingredient, of course, in preparation for this is the beef chuck here. This is going to feed several people, so it's a 2.5 pound beef shoulder chuck. And we'll just have to document as we go along. Yes. So the first thing we do is?
Start cutting. You cutting the meat like you do the stir fry.
Like a stir fry.
Like a stir fry.
So it's going to be like strips.
Yeah, like this.
Oh, okay.
Strips.
Oh, so you cut it on at an angle a little bit on the meat.
Yeah.
Oh, so you cut it kind of across the grain.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. They will be easy for us. You have to try to make it easy to cut.
Okay.
Especial yo que estoy media ciega.
And so, and the plan is to cut this all down to the whole
like
thing.
Like strips.
All right. So we're going to stop for now, and then we'll come back when the whole thing is. So the steak, what was that?
The pepper steak.
Yeah, the steak has been cut into strips, 1-inch strips by ½ inch, by about 4-inch strips, and it's been rinsed out with water, Mom, right?
Yeah.
So just kind of wash it after you've cut it.
Yeah.
And now we're going to prepare the marinade for it, and it consists of olive oil, vinegar. Salt, garlic.
With black pepper.
And black pepper. So go ahead and start the process.
Okay, you mix it over here.
Like that?
Yeah, you mix it. And you mix the black pepper. This one. As much as you make, you have to put. If you make it like we make it here, 2 pounds.
2.5.
Yeah. So you're putting about 1/4 of a garlic. Oh. Almost half of the jar.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So you're using quite a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you gotta give it good taste.
Okay.
Yeah. So you mix it together.
Wow, that's a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a lot here.
You know what you're doing. All right. Okay.
You got a lot here. This is the black pepper.
Mm-hmm. You want to open that up?
Yeah. Please don't help me.
Okay. You want a spoon?
Yeah. Okay. That's okay.
Oh.
Now we do
so about a tablespoon. You got about 4 ounces of the garlic and about a tablespoon of pepper.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
And then that's what you take it and put them on.
How about this?
Oil and the vinegar.
And the salt.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So.
Vinegar.
Vinegar, not much.
Okay.
Let me see.
Okay, it looks about an ounce, maybe.
About an ounce.
About an ounce of vinegar.
Yeah.
This is white vinegar.
Yeah, white vinegar. Then I put oil.
And then olive oil. And again, about good maybe ounce and a half of vinegar.
Because you gotta make it hot enough.
Okay,
you know.
and then
a
a little salt.
Bit of salt.
Okay.
Salt.
And here it's gonna be
Not much.
maybe a ½ teaspoon.
Yeah.
Maybe a quarter to a
See,
half a
all
teaspoon.
depends how much they will do it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you
just made it here.
got a little
Marinate.
piece of meat over there too.
Yeah. Marinate it all. Okay.
And now this is going to be the marinade.
Yeah.
And so, so how long do you think normally you would leave this sitting?
An hour. At
Just
least.
at least an hour.
At least an hour.
So at least an hour of the marinade.
Yeah.
Making sure that it's nicely stirred and mixed in.
Yeah. And if you have to put more salt, you can put them on. That's
Right.
no question.
Okay.
At the moment, I do like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
See how nice they look? Mm.
Okay. Does smell good.
Yeah. Okay. Now we have it ready.
Okay, so now we're setting it aside,
Yeah.
and we'll just refrigerate until later on
Yes,
today
for a
when
while.
we're.
If you're gonna make it the same day, you don't have to refrigerate.
Okay.
If they're gonna make it the same day, I can put
Okay.
it outside only
All right.
because they're gonna be get done.
So now the next thing is cutting up the vegetables,
Cutting the green peppers.
the green peppers.
I'm gonna show how to cut the green
Okay,
peppers.
so we're gonna pause now and wait for the green pepper
Yeah.
preparation. Okay, so Mom, now we're starting to prepare the vegetables. You cut them into just
Strips like that,
okay,
the long way.
the long strips.
Yeah.
The green pepper.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after you already washed them.
Yes, you gotta
Okay.
watch it there.
And then are you gonna cut onions with this or what? What do you?
Yes. The next thing is onion.
Is the onions? Okay. So you're just going to continue with that. So we'll come back with the onions.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is what 3 large green peppers
Yeah.
cut up into slices comes to. And now we're going to start with the
Onion.
purple onion.
Okay,
Mom thinks that the purple onion has a lot more flavor than the golden or the yellow
white.
onion or the white onion, which has probably the least oniony flavor. So she wants a nice bold taste. All right.
There you are.
So now we're going to be cutting the onion.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah. Purple onions also are very hard onions, apparently.
It's a hard onion. Okay.
Ooh.
See how nice?
Okay. All right. You do put up a struggle.
Yeah, nice. You peel it. The first one you peel it. The first two
The first 2.
skin.
Yeah.
Yeah. The
Okay.
first two skin you throw them out.
Okay. They are purple. Boy, I'm not used to seeing these guys.
Okay.
I'm more used to the golden ones.
Like this.
And so then you just cut them into like little half rings like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you still have a little bit of the outer skin there. No?
No. They should. I know. See, it's all here.
All right. Okay. Looks a
You
little.
can tell. See, you can tell it when you do like this.
Okay.
Understand?
All right.
Okay.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna cut the whole onion. So it's
Yes,
one. So it's
yes.
one large purple
Yeah.
onion,
Yes.
and then you're just gonna set it aside for a while until we actually cook it all
yes.
and mix it all in later on.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
Mhm.
So the next time we'll be preparing the actual pepper steak, onions and peppers, and then the side dish with this we'll have is white rice.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll be back in a little while. To start the actual cooking of
Yes.
the pepper steak.
Yes.
So what are you doing
The
now?
first thing you put on is the green peppers.
So you just poured in about a couple of ounces of
Yeah.
oil, olive oil?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Olive oil. And then I put the green peppers.
Okay.
3 green peppers.
Okay,
For
these are the
two-
big green peppers.
2.5 pounds of meat.
Okay.
Okay. The green peppers go first. We gotta let it go first.
So then you just cook this for a little while
Yeah, yeah.
and kind of get
We
tender?
gotta, yeah. We cook it for a little while, and then after that we put the onion, and then we move it, turn
Okay.
it around.
So this will take a few minutes?
Yes.
Maybe you should talk a little bit about these pots because people have been asking me about...
The pot I using is actually, I get those pot in 1957. So there was a new pot at that time. That was the last choice
So
in
these
New
are,
York.
are they already made out like iron? What are they?
Yes, make it out of iron.
Oh
But
my-
it's so I have those pots for the last 50 years or more.
Oh my God! And they'll last
Yeah,
another
yeah. Oh
100
yes,
years.
yes, yeah. I bought it in New York. At that time, there was $200. You make it in payments. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That's okay.
Because people love
Yeah,
these
yeah,
pots.
Yeah, let me put this on there. Okay.
So we got this guy going.
Yeah.
So as soon as this starts to cook down, then we add what? The onion?
Onion.
Okay. So we're gonna come back when we
Yeah.
get to the onion stage.
Yes.
We're now adding the onions.
Adding the onion on top of the green pepper.
The green peppers are cooking down.
Yes. This is the vegetable. Then remove it top and bottom. Try to cook
Oh, it
together.
smells so good. So that's all you needed to do is just add the oil and that.
And this, after you marinate in this, after you marinated the meat, then you only have to put the green,
Okay.
skin
All
it
right.
for a while, the onion left, and then the rest is just the meat. You put it on top. And cover.
Okay. Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
So this has been cooking now. The peppers cooked for about what? Less than 10 minutes?
Less than
maybe?
10 minutes, about
Okay.
10 minutes.
And what are you doing here now?
That's for the rice.
Okay, so we're starting the rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Starting the rice here.
Okay. So we're gonna be having the pepper steak plated on white rice.
Yeah. You get that. White rice anybody could do.
So you add a little bit of oil to the
Oil
rice,
to the
huh?
rice, yes.
Oh.
To give it a
Okay.
taste too.
Oh, I never did that. Okay. So you added about what? About an ounce or a tablespoon?
Maybe tablespoon.
A tablespoon of oil
Yeah.
to the water with a little salt.
Yes.
About a teaspoon of salt, maybe?
I would say yeah.
A teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
Okay. And now you're going to add about a cup. Of how much?
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, we gotta make more than a cup. About a pound.
Okay.
There would be 2 cups.
Okay, about 2 cups. All right. Okay. Now you're rinsing the rice. So we'll come back then when you add the meat in about another, what, 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay, we'll come back.
Yeah. You might put the rice.
And the rice? Okay.
All right, then you come back when I get the meat.
Okay. And there it is, the rice being added. The smell is so delicious right now with the onions and peppers. So we're now stirring the rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the meat coming now.
And you're lowering the heat on the rice. And now we're about to add the meat. So the onions cook for another, what, 5 or 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. And now we're going to add the marinated
Yeah.
meat.
The meat.
Okay.
And you leave it there. Check. You gotta turn it on.
Okay,
once
so
in a
you
while.
check it?
Yeah. Check it on. And you will know when it's ready because you can taste it.
Usually, how long will you cook it for?
Maybe for an hour.
For an hour, so it needs to get very tender in
This
that
way,
hour.
yeah, this way they get they
Okay.
get nice and tender.
And then at the very end, that's when you add these other ingredients,
Yeah,
right?
and maybe 10 or 15 minutes before.
Before you then add
Yeah.
some teriyaki sauce and then some soy sauce.
Some more. to make a good
To
taste.
give it a little taste, to give it a little. Okay. See, I thought all this time this was just strictly Puerto Rican. I didn't realize it was Puerto Rican, Japanese,
I put in my
Chinese.
Chinese because I know in Chinese restaurant when you eat pepper steak, it tastes different. I asked him the question and they said for that. So I said, then I'm gonna do it.
Okay, okay. And here you have it.
Yeah.
Fusion, original fusion
Yeah.
food here.
Yes.
Okay. So now we're just going to take a break for a
Yes.
while and let this cook. So the next time we come back will be when we add the other ingredients.
Yeah.
So Mom's stirring it up.
Yeah. You have to stirring every 10 or 15 minutes.
Every
stirring.
10 or 15 minutes
Yeah.
you want to turn it
Yeah, this way to see how they go.
to get, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So we'll be back. To add a little bit of the teriyaki sauce
Yeah, to give it more taste.
to begin cooking in the taste. Looks like it's about 1 or 2 ounces of
Yes,
teriyaki
at least
sauce.
About 2 ounces.
About 2 ounces.
Yeah.
It smells delicious.
Yeah.
And then when do you add the soy sauce?
The soy sauce, I already adding a little bit.
You already added?
A little bit, yeah.
How much did you
Soy
add?
sauce. This is the other one.
How much did you add? About
2 ounces.
about 2 ounces of the soy sauce. So cooking into it is already the soy sauce and the teriyaki.
That's it.
And about 2 ounces apiece.
2 ounces. You see? I just want to. I don't know if that one is sweet. See, the one that I buy viene como si fuera tomato, como si fuera apple sauce.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Y viene todo el can.
Well, I'm sure it's going to be fine.
Oh, I hope so.
So then you stir it around.
Yeah.
So far it's
Yeah. It's cooking.
beginning to take color.
Yeah. Yeah. It's cooking.
The meat is beginning to
Yeah.
cook well.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's
Yeah.
beginning to make my mouth water. It smells so good.
Okay.
All right. So next time we come back will
Yeah.
be for the
10
what?
or 15 minutes.
Another 15 minutes and we'll be back.
Keep
All right.
checking. Keep checking. Yeah.
Okay. We are. We're about to plate.
This is the rice. First
So-
you put the rice.
So we're going to put it on a
Okay.
bed of rice,
Yeah.
white rice.
Yeah. You see the one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you
That's
put
enough.
rice. Okay.
And then
And then serving this way.
I like the way that thing is. I was gonna buy Lucy today that I saw Lucy. It was so pretty.
That's for David.
So she doesn't have. I
Okay.
thought she had.
un poquito de caldo.
See?
Oh yeah.
Like those
A
are-
little bit of gravy.
Are they pretty?
Oh, delicious. Put it right here.
That's two enough.
The onion and the green pepper, they soft
Put it
together.
right there.
Yeah, I had
Okay.
the same problem.
That
I
would
bought
be-
a set.
And there we are.
I mean, it was like 500.
All right.
Yes.
Pepper steak with white rice.
Hey, look at that.